worth of hashtags depend on when and how you use them. Hey guys, my name is Anmol and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about if hashtags are worth it or not on Instagram, and can you use hashtags to go viral on Instagram or not. Well, the worth of hashtags depend on when and how you use them in your post, and let me be more clear. There are accounts that have 10,000 followers or less and they still don't use hashtags, but they manage to get on the explore page and they get a ton of likes and followers. And the biggest example is my own page. As you can see in this pic, there I got about 300,000 reach and plus 22,000 likes, and I didn't use a single hashtag to promote my piece of content, and it was all organic from explore page, and the followers I got, everything was from the explore page, and it was all organic. And at that time my page was around 4 to 5,000 followers max. And being viral doesn't depend on how many hashtags you use or how good hashtags you use. It all just boils down to when you post a piece of content, how does your original audience that you have interact with your post. If it's more than usual, you will rank on the explore page, and if your content is good, you will get more exposure and you will get more engagement on the explore page, which will result in ranking your post higher and going and making your post go viral. Have you ever wondered why bigger accounts and big celebrities don't use hashtags under their post that much? It's because they know that by using hashtags it won't make a big difference to their account, even though it will get them some likes, but they know that using hashtags won't help them to land on the explore page, where the main cheese is and where you can get a ton of likes and a ton of new followers. They know that hashtags are just to get a ton of more eyeballs and to get some likes here and there and 1-2 followers here and there. That's all. Reasons why hashtags are only built to get more exposure and likes and not followers. Yeah, you will get 3 to 5 here and there, but you won't get hundreds of followers like you will get if you are on the explore page. Even though if you will get a ton of likes on hashtags, but you won't get any followers, because look at yourself, how many hashtags do you follow these days? Me, none. And if you follow some hashtags, how many times did you went from that hashtag to their profile and follow them? Probably very few times or not even once. This is the answer why hashtags are only built to get more likes and more exposure, and they are not built to get more followers for you. So, should you use hashtags or not? Yes, you should use hashtags. If you like this video and subscribe, that will mean a lot. And serious talk, yes, you should use hashtags. If you're just starting out and you only have about 1 to 200 followers, at that time you should use hashtag in order to get some more eyeballs and more likes, because at that time you're just starting out and Instagram's algorithm will not be generous to you at all in terms of giving you more exposure than your own followers and own hashtags, because at that time the algorithm doesn't know anything about you.
Wait a minute, who are you?
What your content is about and what type of content and what type of audience will suit your account in order to like maximize their enjoyment on the platform. And that's why Instagram's algorithm will feel hesitant in order to like push your content in on explore page or other parts of area. And that's why you should use hashtags in order to tell the algorithm what your page is about or your account is about. And the more you use hashtags in the beginning, the faster you will tell the algorithm what your account is about, and the faster you will have the chances to rank on the explore page. Hashtags are really good way to increase your engagement rate temporarily if you are experiencing a certain if you're experiencing reach drop because of there is a certain update in the algorithm or any other reason you are experiencing a reach drop. Instagram hashtags are a great way to increase your engagement temporarily. Doing fine with the engagement rate and you're ranking on the explore page and you're getting a ton of likes and followers, there is no need to use hashtags in my opinion, because as I said, hashtags are only good to get more exposure and more likes, and they're not built to get you more followers. And at this time it's just solely your choice if you want to use hashtags or not. And if you go with the choice of using hashtags, you just can't put random hashtags under your caption related to your post, and because there is a way to find the right hashtags to maximize the potential of that hashtags to get you the maximum result possible. And in this video I talked exactly how you can find the best hashtags for your post so that you can get a ton of likes, and that is exactly for free. So watch this video and I will see you there. Peace.